Methods of preparing a trial balance. The trial balance is important due to the following reasons. A trial balance summarizes all the financial transactions of the business. It provides a check on the arithmetical accuracy of recordings of all the financial transactions of the business. It also helps in locating errors by providing a starting point for the location of errors committed, if any. In addition, it provides a basis for the preparation of final accounts. Methods of preparing a trial balance. The three main methods of preparing a trial balance are balances method, totals method, totals cum balances method. Explaining the methods of preparing a trial balance. 1. Balances method. In this method, the balances of each account are shown in the trial balance. The debit balance is shown in debit column and credit balance is shown in credit column of amount. This is the most widely used method of preparing a trial balance. 2. Totals method. Under this method, the total of debit section is written in debit column and that of credit section is written in credit column. The credited and debited amount in totality should be same on both the sides. And if the recorded amount does not tally with each other, then it signifies the presence of errors. It is necessary that all such mistakes are identified and then corrected. 3. Totals cum balances method. This method is a combination of both the balances and totals methods. The amount column is divided into total and balances methods. Each method has further two columns of debit and credit. The total of the debit and credit under each method must be equal.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.